I was on Facebook Marketplace and I found some wheels. I found some Daytons. So naturally, I bought them. I put some tires. They're ready to go. I got all the hardware ready to install. And let me show you my Daytons. Here are my Daytons. We are running 165/80/13. They look like trailer tires, and they're stretched. Here's the hardware and new lug nuts. And this is where they're going on. This is my 92 Honda Civic. It's been sitting for 1 or 2 years. I sold the wheels off of it, so that's why I got the original Steelies. And I'm gonna put my Daytons on here, see how they look. So when you're running this Dayton wheels, they're 3-piece wheels, so you gotta run these knockoffs right here. This is how the knockoffs. This is the hub adapter. They're color coded, so you have the white goes on the driver's side, the red goes on the passenger side. So you gotta bolt them on there. And these are 4100s, just like the Hondas here. And they go here somehow. There we go, right there. So we gotta bolt them on and put on the wheel. And it comes with this. These are the knockoffs. So that's what holds the wheel together in place. Okay, so we're gonna mount the tire. You see this thing's had little grooves, and it has them in here as well. So we're gonna try to mount, when we get the tire on there, we're gonna try to get it on those grooves. Once you got the tire sitting on there, looks like that. You have the threads. Here's the knockoff. You put it on. Then you get a hammer. So once you get it tight, you hammer it in, and that's all you do. I just finished washing it. The name of my Civic is the Rice Bowl Express. See, this one's cambered a lot more. They stick out a little bit. I think the tire is too tall. Just finished washing it. I'm fixing to start working on a paint job for it. So next time you see this Civic, you might be getting painted. But my Daytons look fresh. Look at that. What? Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Yeah, so that's the Civic. I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. I got some floor mats for it. Fixing to put them in too. Got some Mako floor mats. They're actually pretty cheap for Mako, so I got them. Yeah, so I'll give you all an update on the MR2 as well. We're working on that too. I just wanted to get this other Honda done, but the MR2, I'll give you guys an update on it. And yeah.